Okay.
Go.
Okay, we're gonna feed Sapphire. Sandfire. Look, see there's one right there? Sandfire.
I think you need to get more. Get the other container.
Look, Sandfire.
Ew, you get a melted one.
I don't think there's more in there. Oh, there is. Sick. Why don't you tap it on that rock? Just pound it on the rock over there.
Right here.
Jasmine, the rock, the flat rock. Tap it.
Look, Sandfire. Oh, it's on the plate. Under the plate. Excuse me, Sandfire.
She can see it.
Excuse me. Look, Sandfire.
There's yummy food.
Sandfire, look.
Jasmine, she can see him. Don't move my arm.
You see him? We should download this to YouTube too.
Facebook and YouTube.
Look, Sandfire. Over here.
She's been there anymore.
Look,
Yeah, there
Sandfire.
is.
That one's kind of too big.
She'll chew it up good, right? Janine, is there any more in there? Yeah, there is.
That's probably enough for tonight.
Ew. Mine's under you.
Sandfire, there's some under you.
That's enough.
Bye.
No, buddy. She has an animal. She's so cute. You see that, Grandma? Sandfire, look, there's some right here.
Janine, are you sure